You can't escape. You can never, ever escape.
Jeff, what the fuck are you doing?
What's cracking, cuh? It's your man's Collector Jeff, back again with another unboxing video. And in this video, I will be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Spirit Halloween 2021 Ophelia. Now, if you don't know, Ophelia was one of my favorite animatronics from the 2021 lineup. My store that year never got a single shipment of her, so I've never seen her in person until today. And I still haven't seen her in person yet, but that'll change once I set her up. So, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for less than retail, so that's clutch. From another state, and my friend who happens to already be planning to visit happened to also be from the state that I got this from. So I had him pick it up for me and then bring it when he came to visit. So I was able to save on shipping, which is clutch as fuck. So I'm gonna shut the fuck up and we're gonna start unboxing Ophelia. So got some poles. I believe this is the hood for the demon. We have the demon's head right there. Demon head. The dress for Ophelia herself. Oh, there's some wires in here. What the hell is this? There's a loose wire right here, and I'm not sure what that goes to or if it's even important. I've never seen a wire like this just loose. So we'll see what the fuck this is about later. Adapter. Oh, another wire. Shoulder bracket right there. The pole that the demon attaches to, I'm fairly certain. Pretty sure this is the control box and all that, but we shall see. Let's open it now. Oh. Yep. Control box. And I believe there's also some screws in here, which this probably was not the best place for them to put the screws, but oh well. The fuck can you do? Screws. I feel like she takes a lot more than 4, but there's only 4 in this box. So that's a good sign. LOL, JK, that's sarcasm. The shoulders with the arms attached to it. And because this is used, it's already zip tied into place because normally the arms would be separate pieces. The mechanism for the demon right there. This is more than likely Ophelia's head. Sure is. And there we have the Ophelia. Put the box right there. The Ophelia herself, right there. The base. A bag of screws. So there's the rest of them. I'm actually going to put the other ones I pulled out into this bag just so they're all together. And last, the instructions, which I'm probably going to need because Crazy Create is fucking obnoxious. But yeah, instructions. And that's all the parts. So, close this bad boy up. And then I'll cut to a part overview. And then from there, we'll begin the setup. Alrighty, so quick parts overview. We have the base, Ophelia's head, the demon's head, the mechanism for the demon, 2 leg poles, hole that the demon attaches to, shoulder frame, adapter, the demon's clothing, control box, the shoulder piece with the arms already attached, which normally, if you got this brand new, that would be separate pieces, but because she was used, they're already attached. And then the dress, and last is this wire that I'm still not entirely sure what the purpose of it is. So that's everything, not a lot of parts at all. And then the instructions are somewhere. I might have left the instructions in the box. But either way, we're going to start building Ophelia. Alright, so first couple of steps complete, which were just screwing the poles into the base and then connecting and screwing the waist frame. So that's not a shoulder bracket, that is a waist frame. But yeah, put the waist frame onto the poles. It calls for 2 screws on each hole, one in the front, one in the back, for both into the base and the waist bracket. I did only the front ones because I just feel like doing front and back is completely fucking unnecessary. So I only did the front ones, but they are screwed into place. So I will be back with the next step. Alright, so next couple of steps are completed. So after the waist bracket, you're supposed to put the shoulder frame and arms on. Since this was used, the arms were already attached to the shoulder frame, so I was able to skip that step. I didn't bother putting a screw into the shoulder frame to secure it to that pole because it's just fucking unnecessary. So, next step coming right up. Alright, so I'm back. Turns out that pole right there was upside down, which was causing a bit of issue. But now that it's been rectified, build progress can continue. Alright, she is completely set up. Last few steps were the demon head, which I couldn't put on initially because the pole was upside down. So the spot that it was supposed to screw into was actually not where it was supposed to be. But I fixed it. So everything is now hooked up. She is ready to go. Wires are all connected. She's plugged in. She's on a step pad right there. So let's see if she works. Also, I posed her arms. The finger that's usually pointing, I have it shushing, which I think is a very common thing to do instead of the pointing. And then the other one is just down by her side. So yeah, let's step on this step pad and see what happens. Let's hope and pray for the best.
Your waking nightmare is just beginning. Your terror only makes me stronger.
Alright, so everything is now working. I got the wires all hooked up properly, so the eyes are moving, the demon's eyes are lighting up, he's moving side to side. Everything is working perfectly now, so let me step on this step pad and demo her for you.
Your waking nightmare is just beginning. Your terror only makes me stronger. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right there with you. You can't escape. You can never, ever escape. You'll never escape. I will follow you to your dreams. You are powerless, and this nightmare will never end.
One more.
Your waking nightmare is just beginning. Your terror only makes me stronger. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right there with you. You can't escape. You can never, ever escape.